Ladies and gentlemen, this next tractor is we've got two tractors in this auction, in my opinion, that are real pieces of history. Real pieces of history. This is one of them, and I've got an Oliver coming up in a little bit that I'll tell you about. This tractor is a Model 620 John Deere. Okay, there's 620s around. Except this is 620 serial number 620000. Okay? This is the very first John Deere 620 that came off the line. It was sent to the engineering department. The engineering department then sent it to the great state of Nebraska to participate in the Nebraska tractor test. It is documented, the serial number is documented in the tractor test. It participated in that, and then it spent its next 40 some odd years on a small farm in Iowa doing the work that it was designed to do. And we have found it just like that. The family called us up and told us they had that, and the first thing I said was, send me a picture of that tag. It's the real deal, folks. We've got the very first John Deere 620 off the line. How do you put a price on a piece of history? Today's the day. We've let everybody know about it. There's going to be a new owner today. What are we going to give on it? Here we go. John Deere 620, the very first one off the line. How many dollars on it? Give me 25,000. Hey, 25,000. I've got 8,000 on the internet, $9,000. Then 10, 11,000. 11,000, now 12, 11,000, 12, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 15,000, 15, now 16,000, 16, 17, 17,000, 18,000, 18,000, 18, 17, 18, 19,000, 20,000, 20,000 bid, 20,000 bid, 20, 19 here, now 20,000 bid, 19 here, now 20,000, 19 here, 20,000, 19 here, 20,000, I'm 19,000 with Brian. I've got 20,000 on the internet. Now 21. Now 21. You are owning a piece of history. You can't duplicate this. There's only one of them. If you're going to own a 620, it ought to be that one. I've got 20,000 on the internet. 21,000. 21, 20,000, 20,000, I'm at 20,000 on the internet now, $21,000. At 21,000, we go on 20,000, we get 21, 20,000, we get 21,000, 20,000, we get 21,000, 21,000. You know what? Someday you're all, new person on the internet. I've got 21, now 22. Man, you just work while I pontificate. Okay? I've got 21,000, 22,000, another 22,000, now 3, 23, 23, this is all internet bidding now. 23, 22, 23,000, 22, 23,000, 22, 23,000, 22,000, 22,000, 23,000, 23,000, wait, 22,500. Good man, Ian. Now 23,500. It was fun while it lasted. It just didn't last very long. Hey, 23,500, 24,500, 24,500, 24,000, we get 24,500, 24,000, we get 24,500, 24,000, we get 24,500, 24,500, 25,000, 24,500 is the bid. Now 25,000, 25,000, 25,500, 26,500, 25,500, 25,500, 25,500, 25,000 is the bid. Now 25,500, 25,500, 25,500, 25,000, we get 25,500, 25,000, we get 25,500, 25,000, we get 25,500, 25,000, yes sir, I'm on the internet at 25,000, 25, got her again, 26,000, 25,500, now 26,000, 25,500, now 26, now 26,500, 26,500, 26,500, 26,500, this tractor will do absolutely nothing but go up in value. Every time. 26.5, 26.5, 26.5 with a 5, and with a 5, got 26,000 online now, 26.5, 26,000, we get 26.5, 26,000, we get 26.5 with a 5, all in, all done, good, by the skin of his teeth. Now I'd like to ask 27. I'd like to propose 27. 27,000, 26.5, now 27,000, now 27.5, 27.5, 5 with a 9, 27,000, we get 27.5, 27,000, we get 27, 5, 5, 5, with a 9, 47,000, we get 27.5, 27.5, 27,000, Dave, we get 27.5, yes or no? Now 27.5, 28,000, 29,000, 29,000, 28,000, we get 29,000, 28,000, we get 29,000, 29,000, 29,000, 28,000, we get 49,000, 49,000, we get 9, everything, give it 9, 49,000, 49,000, 49,000, 49,000, don't wait on the internet, don't wait on the internet, 29,000, 29,000, 28,000, we get 29, now $30,000, $30,000, 30,000 in, now 31, 31, 1, don't wait on the internet, 31, 31, what about it, 31,000, 31,000, I 31, what about 30,000, we get 31,000, 31,000, I'm at 30,000 right here, now $31,000, 31, 30,000, we get 31, this is why you have the internet at your auction, 31,000, 31,000, I've got 30,000, we get 31,000, 30,000, we get 31,000, if the second call, 30,000, we get 31,000. Third and last call, I've got 30,000, we get 31,000. If no one would like to bid, now 32, now 32, now 33, now 33, 33, internet, you played it awful close that time, 33, 32, we get 33, 32, we get 33, 32,000 once, 32,000 twice. I've got 32,000, we get 33,000. If you don't want to bid 33,000, I take 40,000. 32,000, third and last call, 32,000, $33,000. I have sold $32,000 on the internet. Historic tractor. 1075, 1075. Congratulations, internet.